Most salespeople don't even make the second call. This is the biggest sales mistake. One of the biggest sales mistakes. Most salespeople don't even make the second call. Let me know how many of you have committed this mistake. A person does not take your call, a person does not reply to your email, a person does not reply to your message, and you are like, oh my God, this person is not interested. You do not reach out to them. I tell you what happens, ladies and gentlemen. I'll give you a very simple example. There are people who message me on Instagram. Now, it's not practically possible for me to go through all the mails and the messages that I receive. So I cannot revert to all of them. Many a times there are some that are missing. And what happens is the second message that I get from people is, you can't even take care of our messages. You should reply to us. I'm like, God, I haven't even read your message. So you got to understand this, that many a times the person whom you are trying to interact with, that person is occupied, that person is busy, and that is the reason why they have not bought. The second thing is, maybe they are not interested in your product at one particular point of time. But if you get in front of them repeatedly, if you get in front of them again and again, then you would be able to get those results going for you, and you would be able to create that opportunity for you. One more thing that happens is, maybe somebody is not convinced when you are interacting with them for the very first time. But see, success and ego, both these things don't go hand in hand. If you feel that if I'm calling somebody for the second time and that requires me to let down my ego, to ensure that, okay, I have to let go of my ego. If you think about all those things, I don't think you're going to win. I don't think you are ever going to get any results in your life. Because what you got to understand is that most salespeople don't even make the second call, which means that when you make the second call, when you send the second message, when you email the person for the second time, there's a very high probability of you getting that sale. And that's because most other people are not doing it. We do it on a repeated basis, on a rigorous basis. One more reason why we need to reach out to people on a repeated basis is, I've told you the reason already. People are indecisive. People can't even decide as to what clothes we need to wear, what kind of food we need to have. How do you expect them to take out their debit card or their credit card, or to take out money from their wallet and give it to them, give it to you? That is not going to happen, ladies and gentlemen. And that's the reason why most salespeople don't even make the second call. And now all of you have said that, sir, we have committed the same mistake. See, somebody has asked me the question, sir, what if they start ignoring our second call? Call them the third time, call them the fourth time, call them the fifth time, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. जितनी बार आप उनके सामने जा सकते हो, उतनी बार आप उनके सामने जाओ. Do you understand? You got to be there in front of people as many times as you can, because that is what is going to get the results for them. Won't it irritate them? Let it be. गाली देते थे, खा लो, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अगर आपको आपके प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर भरोसा है तो गाली तो आपको पड़ेगी ना यार कुछ लोगों से. I get abused by a lot of people when I run ads on Facebook. I'm being really honest. I run ads on Facebook. I work with so much of honesty. I work with so much of integrity. आज तक एक बंदे को जो हमने प्रॉमिस करा है, एक बंदे को प्रॉमिस फुलफिल करा है, तो भी हमारे पास नेगेटिव कमेंट्स आ जाते हैं, तो भी लोग वहां पे गाली लिख देते हैं. तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है उस चीज से यार? Understand? People will give you what they have inside them. So if somebody has got frustration, if somebody has got anger inside them, they're going to give you the same thing. Somebody says that if my number goes in the spam section, go and buy another number, man, who's stopping you. That is what you need to understand. See, if you believe in your product, if you believe in the work that you are doing, it is important for you that you get in front of people again and again and again. Otherwise, you can't do anything in your life. I'll give you a very simple idea. You make a YouTube video, people will abuse you. You make a video on Instagram, and if you start getting popular, people will abuse you. You fight for a post in politics, people will abuse you. You play cricket for the country, people are going to abuse you. You do whatever, people are going to abuse you. That does not mean that you stop living. Don't worry about those things, okay? What you need to understand is that you got to get in front of people. As long as you know that your work is actually being done with honesty, integrity, and when you know that it is going to be helpful for people, you got to get in front of them. And the second thing is, increase your follower base, increase your leads to such a level to such a level that you get in touch with people and you get those results going for you. And you get in front of people again and again and again. That is how you get those results going for you. Simple. अब आप मेरे को एक बात बताओ, आप लोगों का फोकस किस चीज की तरफ जा रहा है? नेगेटिविटी की तरफ जा रहा है ना आप लोगों का फोकस. कैसे? What you are focusing upon right now is, यार अगर एक बंदे ने मुझे ये करने से मना कर दिया तो, अगर एक बंदे ने ऐसा नहीं करा तो, अगर एक बंदे ने वैसा नहीं करा तो, why don't you focus on the fact that जो लोग आपकी बात से मोटिवेट होके आपका प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं या आपकी ऑफरिंग लेते हैं, जब उनको आपका प्रोडक्ट यूज करके फायदा होता है, he or she will give you a positive feedback. That is what I focus upon. Why don't you focus on those positive aspects? Why should we focus on those negative aspects? You tell me. आप सोचो ना आपका thought process किस चीज की तरफ जा रहा है. If you focus on the fact that there would be certain people who are going to say no to me, who are going to have negativity towards me, let it be. Don't focus on those people, yeah. You got to focus on people who are there to support you, who are there to add value in your life. You are not preparing for the worst. You are thinking about the worst. Your thought process is getting to the worst of things. Your thought process is aligned to the negative things, and that would eventually get negative things for you. You have a plan. If something goes wrong, well and good. But if you start focusing on that again and again, believe me, you're not going to get those results. I can write it down on a piece of paper and give it to you. Hope that now makes sense to you. And I'm very convinced because we do this over and over again. This is not just about law of attraction, Bhargav. I've said it time and again. आप अगर ये सोचोगे कि बंदे कॉल नहीं उठाएंगे, आप उनको दोबारा से कॉल नहीं करोगे और इस वजह से रिजल्ट्स नहीं आएंगे. It is not just about the law of attraction. It is about your actions will be actually in sync with your thought process. जो चीज आप सोच रहे हो, आपका thought process उसी चीज के ऊपर आगे बढ़ेगा और इसी वजह से आप काम आगे नहीं कर पाओगे. अभी समझ में आया? Do it now. All right. So the task for you is make a video and write the biggest mistake during follow-ups. The biggest mistake during follow-ups. Write it down. Write it down. The biggest mistake during follow-ups.